Is Peel and Stick Eco Matte Wallpaper easy to install? Easy peasy. Here's what our customers say. Let us guide you through the Peel and Stick Eco Matte Wallpaper installation process. Before you begin, unpack the wallpaper. Carefully read the detailed installation instructions. Once this is done, unbox the wallpaper and roll out the panels on a flat surface. Verify the amount of the wallpaper panels and double-check if there aren't any issues with the quality or pattern match prior to installation. Gather your tools. You will need a level tool, straight edge tool, craft knife, microfiber cloth, squeegee, a pencil, and a roller. For best results, we always recommend to prime the walls first. Our favorites are Roman Proline products, as they offer various options for any wall surface and wallpapering needs. Let's begin. Verify the position of the first wallpaper panel by drawing a plumb line. Ensure it is level, as ceilings are rarely 100% straight. Or use a laser level if available. Peel back about 10 inches of backing paper for an easier start. Stick the wallpaper to the top section of the wall and ensure it is level to avoid sloping. Tip: if your walls and corners are not 100% straight, leave at least half an inch on each side of the wall for trimming. Start from the top and work your way down. Smooth the wallpaper with squeegee or soft cloth from middle to the sides. Continue to the next panel. Make sure the pattern matches side by side and continue forward with the installation process. Keep in mind, too much force is never advised when installing the wallpaper. Have patience and don't rush the process. If an accidental crease happens, don't worry. Gently peel the wallpaper back a bit and reapply. Our wallpaper material is durable, and a light crease should not be visible once smoothed out. We also recommend rolling the seams with seam roller. Continue on to the remaining wallpaper panels in the same manner. Once the whole wall is complete, go over all panels, seams, and corners once more to ensure a good adhesion. This will help to ease the cutting process. Tip: repeat this after 24 hours for best results. It's time to cut off the excess material. When cutting the wallpaper, make sure to use a sharp craft knife and a ruler or straight edge tool to avoid tearing the paper. Carefully remove the excess wallpaper. Continue on to the remaining wallpaper panels. And voila! The wall is complete. Our Peel and Stick Eco Matte Wallpaper is water resistant and gently cleanable. So if accidents like these happen, use a damp soft sponge and clean it right away, using only the soft side of the sponge. Alternatively, a damp microfiber cloth will work well too. When it is time to remove your Peel and Stick Eco Matte Wallpaper, simply start from the bottom and peel it off slowly at an angle. To ease the process, roll the peeled off paper together to avoid it sticking back to the wall or yourself. Continue on in the same manner, slowly and with patience. If the wallpaper seems to be stuck too well to the wall, make sure to use heat from a hairdryer to ease the adhesive. This will allow for an easier removal. If I did it, you can do it too.